How to make a photo collage on Instagram. Now, let's say you want to add more than one photo on your Instagram story. Now, to do that, all you have to do is to tap on this plus button right here and go to camera. Once you're on your camera, all you have to do is to point it to something that you want to capture. Let's say this one, this keyword right here. Then click on this photo layout on the side of your camera right here. As you can see, you can choose various layout to choose from. You can tap on this button right here in order for you to find more kinds of layout you can choose from. You can choose this one, or you can also choose this one. Now, let's say I choose this one. I can just capture a photo right here and capture another photo right here. Now, after that, the photo collage is done. All you have to do is to hit on check right here. And as you can see, there is more than one photo on my Instagram story. Now I can just edit this. I can add text to it. I can add stickers or even music right here. So that's how to make a photo collage on Instagram. Hope we help.